Join us as we explore an extraordinary event taking place at the Victoria and Albert Museum in London. Discover the Taylor Swift Songbook Trail, a free exhibition that invites you to embark on a captivating journey through the V&A South Kensington's galleries, celebrating the remarkable career of Taylor Swift. This exhibit, open until Sunday, September 8, 2024, showcases a variety of her iconic looks and offers a deep dive into the creativity and artistry of this 14-time Grammy Award-winning artist. The Taylor Swift Songbook Trail is not just an exhibit, but a theatrical experience. As you wander through the museum, you'll encounter costumes and outfits worn by Taylor Swift herself, reflecting the success of her UK tour. This trail beautifully celebrates her costumes, lyrics, and music videos, and explores the global phenomenon of her influence. Each of the 13 stops on this trail represents a unique chapter in Taylor's illustrious career, offering fans a chance to experience her evolution as an artist. One of the most exciting aspects of this exhibition is that it is entirely free. No tickets or pre-booked slots are required. You can simply arrive at the Cromwell Road entrance, head to the welcome desk, and start your adventure. The trail, which spans approximately 1 mile and takes around 60 to 90 minutes to complete, winds through 4 floors of the museum. Visitors will navigate multiple flights of stairs or lifts, guided by V&A staff, with a step-free route available for those who need it. As you explore the museum, you'll find Taylor's costumes, instruments, accessories, and other personal items displayed in different rooms. These items are not just limited to one area, but are integrated into the museum's permanent displays, creating a unique dialogue with the building's architecture and historical objects. This setup turns your visit into a thrilling treasure hunt, where you can admire Renaissance sculptures, medieval tapestries, and 18th century paintings while searching for the next Taylor Swift artifact. The exhibition features 16 of Taylor Swift's most memorable looks, from her music videos, tours, album covers, and red carpet appearances. Many of these items are on display for the first time, straight from Taylor's personal archive. The displays, designed by Tom Piper, renowned for his work with the Royal Shakespeare Company and the Tower of London Poppies installation, are nothing short of theatrical. The project is overseen by Kate Bailey, the museum's senior curator for theatre and performance, who has meticulously crafted each stop to include hidden Easter eggs and to deepen our understanding of Taylor Swift's persona. While Taylor Swift herself did not select the items on display, her archive was generously open, allowing the curators to choose the most significant pieces. The challenge was narrowing down the selection to just 1 or 2 garments per era, ensuring each piece tells a compelling story. The exhibition was put together in a matter of months to coincide with the second leg of the Eras tour in London, highlighting the collaborative effort of the entire museum. This trail is expected to attract large crowds, and the museum is prepared to ensure everyone has an enjoyable experience. The blend of Taylor Swift's spectacle with the intimacy of the V&A's historical spaces offers a unique and memorable visit. So, if you find yourself at the Victoria and Albert Museum this summer, join the Swifties in their Eras tour costumes and friendship bracelets. Explore the Taylor Swift Songbook Trail and immerse yourself in the world of a pop icon whose influence and creativity continue to captivate millions around the globe. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and happy exploring.